Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to unfollow topics marked as not interested on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Whether you're looking to declutter your feed or focus on content that truly matters to you, these simple instructions will help you take control of your experience. Let's get started. First, open X from your browser. Once the homepage loads, look at the left side menu. You'll see a variety of icons. Click on the one labeled More. This will expand additional options for managing your account. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu that appears. Within this section, navigate to Privacy and Safety. This is where you'll find controls for customizing what you see and interact with on X. Now, click on Content You See. Under this menu, select Topics. This will bring up a list of all the topics you've interacted with, both followed and those marked as not interested. To unfollow topics you no longer wish to engage with, locate the Not Interested section. Here you'll see a list of topics that have been categorized as irrelevant to your preferences. Simply click the Unfollow button next to any topic you want to remove from this list. Finally, confirm your action when prompted. This step ensures that the topic is successfully removed from your feed preferences, and that's it. By following these steps, you can easily unfollow unwanted topics and tailor your feed to better suit your interests. Take charge of what you see on X and enjoy a more personalized browsing experience. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others and subscribe for more useful tips on navigating social media platforms.